Hello everyone, welcome to ComfyEating. Today we are going to make a yogurt cake. This cake is light, creamy and has that touch of tanginess, almost like a cheesecake's cousin. And the best part, it uses simple ingredients and it's incredibly easy to make. To make this cake, you just require a few basic ingredients and a little time in the oven. Trust me, this cake is worth the wait. It's a kind of dessert you can make anytime, whether you're hosting friends, treating yourself, or even just looking for something fun to bake. So, let's see how to make this yummy, creamy yogurt cake. To make this cake, first I have used 3 small eggs. We will roughly beat them so that the yolks and whites are mixed together. Now to this we will add half cup of sugar and give it a really good mix until the sugar dissolves and you have a smooth, slightly frothy mixture. Next we will add our main ingredient, that's the Greek yogurt. I've used here 2 cups, that is 1 cup is about 140 grams, so I've used 280 grams of Greek yogurt. You can also use normal regular yogurt, but this Greek yogurt will give our cake a lovely texture and a slight tang. So now let's mix everything together until nice and smooth. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now this will help to thicken the batter and give the cake a little more structure. So now we will combine everything really well. For the flavor, we will add a little lemon zest. Now this pairs perfectly well with the yogurt, making the cake taste even lighter and more refreshing. Now we will pour this batter into a cake tin and it's time to bake. So we will bake this for about 180 degree for about 45 minutes. It's better to check around 30 minutes by inserting a toothpick because different ovens might take different time. So our yogurt cake is ready. It's completely cooled down. Now we can go ahead and slice it. This cake is perfect for any time of day, whether it's a sweet afternoon treat or a light dessert time after dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And do subscribe to our channel for more easy recipes. And if you try this yogurt cake, let me know in the comments below how it turned out or if you made any fun twist to this recipe. Thank you for watching.